So hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and this is Tech Clutch over here, and today we'll be doing some amazing stuff, and this video is the most requested video in my channel, and today we'll be doing that. So let's get started. So guys, the two applications you need is Pixel Lab and PixArt. The both apps links will be in the description, so no need to worry. Go down in the description and download those both apps. So after you download those both apps, first you need to go to PixArt, and another link I'll be giving in the description, which is the Google Drive link, and you can download the pack in that. So it's a pack with effects and all, so you can download it from there. So let's get started. So from here we need to just open a blank page and just follow these steps which I'm showing. So we need to change the ratio to the YouTube, and we need to come here and choose our photo. So I choose a photo over here, which is this, a PUBG Mobiles, and we are going to set the ratio of this to the white color background because it won't be seen mostly, and then just follow these steps and you will get an awesome gaming thumbnail. So I just added this effect over here, which will be in the Google Drive pack down in the description, so you can find it over there. I'll link it in the description. So you need to change it to lighten or screen over here, and you should apply it on the gun or the scope which you're making. So I've just applied it over here, and don't skip the video guys. Never skip my videos where I'm doing tutorials. So this is the main thing you have to get into your mind, that you should never skip these tutorial videos or else you won't get it properly. So let's continue. So I'm just changing the hue, and you can use the same pack for any colors. For any of your gaming thumbnails, you can just change the hue for changing the color. You don't need different effects for that. You can just make the same ring by changing the hue and the brightness over here. So I'm just doing that right here. So after this, we'll see what happens. So guys, I actually had made a mistake over there. I had to add an effect first, then I had to put the ring. So first here I'm going to put my background, whatever I want the background to be. So I just chose this neon over here, and you need to erase it for the scope. I'll just show you in a bit. So come here to erase. From the top you can click on erase and change the shape of, click on the shape and you can change it to circle, and you have to just apply the erase on this circle over here. So after that you just click on tick and you go back, and now you have to add the ring over here. So after adding the ring, same thing, you should go to effects or something, blend, not effects, sorry, blend. So after you go to blend, you need to blend it to the screen, I guess. So I've just blended it to the screen, and now as you guys can see, the center part is highlighted over here, and we're gonna do this a little bit different than the thumbnail which I did for this thing. It's gonna be way better than that. We'll add more effects and VFX in this. So as you saw, as you're seeing, I'm changing the hue over here to make it purple and not only blue. So you can see this, and you can see how I made the thumbnail of this video. So here I'm using some lens flares over here. So I'm using purple because the scope is purple and everything purple would be nice. I'm increasing the width of this and just making a sharp plus over here. So guys, I'm putting this lens flare because it makes it more brighter and more attractive for the people to click on this video. So it makes it attractive for people to look at it. So that's why I'm putting the lens flares. So you can put the lens flares anywhere you want, guys. So I'm just making it as a plus symbol over here so that it looks attractive that I'm shooting that guy from here. And you guys can do whatever you want, and you can just modify it for yourself. This is just a demo and you can do whatever you guys want. All the facts will be in the description, and mostly PixArt will have everything. You can just go to sticker and you'll find every single thing over there. Each and everything will be found in stickers in PixArt. That's why I really recommend PixArt for editing thumbnails and anything. So right here I have chosen paintbrush over here. This is the main thing where we do the outline of the scope, and here I have chosen neon and the same color which I did. So you have to just zoom in and make this boundary line over here, which makes it glowing. So here's one side and here's the other side. So that's it guys. As you can see, it's so beautiful right now and it's so glowy. So let's continue more, and I'm adding a lens flare at the border so that it looks more attractive. So the main thing is of these gaming thumbnails is attractiveness. More that's attractive, more people will try to watch your montages or anything. So I just turned it over here and I'm just making the borders of the thumbnail. I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. So as you guys can see, I'm putting like the top and the bottom part. I'll do the bottom part later, and right now I'm doing the top part over here. So here we'll put like this border. You can put it even in left and right, but right here I'm just putting on the top and bottom right now. So let's see. So I just duplicated it and brought it down, and I'm just going to rotate it right now. So guys, it's been done, and as you guys can see, it's so clean and neat. So we are going to just save from here, and we're going to shift to Pixel Lab. So guys, we have come to Pixel Lab over here, and here is the thing. You have to click on the three dots and use gallery image. So I'm using this image which we made over there in PixArt, and we have to change the text over here. We'll make something different over here, like you need to make a montage. So we are making a montage thumbnail over here, which is 17 kills for just a demo. Though I have not ever made 17 kills in Battle Royale or Classic in PUBG. So this is another font which is called Evogria. So this pack also will be in the description. You can download this font, and I'll highly recommend this font for most of the people use the same font for making the montage thumbnails, I guess. So over here guys, look at this part very carefully where I choose the colors for that gradient color to come. This is the main thing which is needed. So look at this carefully guys, where I choose the color tones and all. Please look carefully and follow the steps so that you don't make any mistakes and complain about it. So guys, as you can see, it looks pretty clean and neat, and it's looking so awesome right now itself, and the thumbnail was so good, and we'll come to that part where we finish it and it will look so awesome. And I'm just trying it out how it looks over here. If you guys want, you can do it. I'm just trying it out how it will look. So yeah. So basically this border doesn't work and doesn't look good, so I'm just going to remove this thing. I don't like it actually. So I'm just enough with that part of it. So none of these things works. I'm just fiddling with this app, so don't mind it. You can do your things. So as you can see guys, most of the people do it like it's slanting towards the scope. It's like it's going towards the scope. So I'm just showing you guys how to do that. You have to enable this and do like this to make it towards the scope, and like they're together, and the perspective is really slanty, or I don't know what's it called. So I'm choosing the straight one. I'm choosing the slanting one, I guess, above here. I'm just changed it because the 17 doesn't look good. It's very roundy and I don't like roundy things. Just joking, guys. So guys, we have made this over here and it looks awesome and clean. Just watch the video, you'll get more. There's more effects and VFX, so don't just skip over here. So we have to just copy it from here, and we have to change it to the another gradient color. And gradients, I highly recommend you guys to use the gradient color, which makes it very bright and very attractive. The main thing of montage thumbnails is attractiveness. If your montage thumbnail doesn't have attractiveness, no one will try to watch it. It will be like just simple, very simple. So this is the thing which you guys need to do, and this is the most requested video, as I said, and I know all of you guys will love this video. So let's continue. So I've chosen over here center. As you can see, the color it's grayish, like, but on the top and the bottom it's white, and the center is like silver. It gives it a metal type of color to that thing. So you can just rewind and check how I made it. You guys have given concentration. That's very good. So right here we are just going to save it as a PNG because PNG gives the highest quality. And as you guys can see, the thumbnail is successfully done, and you guys can modify this and make this way better than this, like my thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail which I made, okay, I guess I left the part where I added that sparks over there. So let's do that part. The pack which I gave you guys in the Google Drive pack in the description will have this also, and every single thing which I am doing in this video. So I'll just put it to lighten or screen. You can put any of it, and we'll change the hue to purple. So guys, hue is the thing which makes it different color. So use hue, and here's it, guys. This is the final result, and it looks so awesome, and my thumbnail, as you can see. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.